Hello, I am Shraddha of class 12C. I'm here to enlighten you about World Health Day that is celebrated every year on the 7th of April. World Health Day is a global health awareness day celebrated every year on 7th April under the sponsorship of the World Health Organization, that is WHO. In 1948, the WHO held the first World Health Assembly. The assembly decided to celebrate 7 April of each year with effect from 1950 as the World Health Day. The World Health Day is held to mark WHO's founding and is seen as an opportunity to the organization to draw worldwide attention to a subject of major importance to global health each year. The WHO organizes international, regional, and local events on the day related to a particular theme. World Health Day is acknowledged by various governments and non-governmental organizations with interests in public health issues who also organizes activities and highlights their support in media reports such as Global Health Council. Global Health Expenditure Database, that is GHED, provides comparable data on health expenditure for more than 190 WHO members states since 2000 with open access to the public. Health spending indicators are key guides for monitoring the flow of resources, informing health policy development, and promoting the transparency and accountability of health systems. The database can help to answer questions such as how much countries spend on health, how much of the health spending comes from the government, households and donors, and how much of the spending is channeled through compulsory and voluntary health financing arrangements. The database also includes a detailed breakdown of spending for an increasing number of countries on healthcare functions and primary healthcare spending by diseases and conditions and spending for the under 5-year-old population. Themes of World Health Day. 2014, the theme was Small Bite, Big Threat. World Health Day 2014 put the spotlight on some of the most commonly known vectors such as mosquitoes, sandflies, bugs, ticks, and snails, responsible for transmitting a wide range of parasites and pathogens that can cause many different illnesses. Mosquitoes, for example, transmit malaria, the most deadly vector-borne diseases, dengue fever, lymphatic filariasis, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis, and yellow fever. More than half of the world's population was at risk of these diseases. 2015, the theme was Food Safety. The WHO promoted improvement of food safety as part of the 2015 World Health Day campaign. Unsafe food, food containing harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites, or chemical substances is responsible for more than 200 diseases and is linked to the deaths of some 2 million people annually, mostly children. Changes in food production, distribution, and consumption changes to the environment new and emerging pathogens, and antimicrobial resistance all pose challenges to food safety systems. 2016, the theme was diabetes. The WHO focused World Health Day 2016 on diabetes, a largely preventable and treatable non-communicable disease that is rapidly increasing in numbers in many countries, most dramatically in low and middle income countries. Simple lifestyle measures have been shown to be effective in preventing or delaying the onset of type 2 diabetes, including maintaining normal body weights, engaging in regular physical activity, and eating a healthy diet. Diabetes can be controlled and managed to prevent complications through diagnosis, self-management education, and affordable treatment. 2017, the theme was Depression Let's Talk. World Health Day 2017, celebrated on 7 April, aimed to mobilize action on depression. This condition affects people of all ages from all walks of life in all countries. It impacts on people's ability to carry out everyday tasks with consequences for families, friends, and even communities, workplaces, and healthcare systems. At worst, depression can lead to self-inflicted injury and suicide. A better understanding of depression, which can be prevented and treated, will help reduce the stigma associated with illness and lead to more people seeking help. 2018 and 19, the theme was Universal Health Coverage, Everyone, Everywhere. World Health Day theme, Universal Health Coverage, Everyone Everywhere, emphasized the idea that health is a fundamental human right and all people should be able to have access to health care. The slogan for the day was Health for All. Several events were held, including a panel discussion on universal health coverage, which was live streamed. 2018 marked the 70th anniversary of the World Health Organization's founding. 2020 theme was Support Nurses and Midwives. The 2020 World Health Day theme took place in the context of the COVID-19 global pandemic and was therefore launched as Support Nurses and Midwives. Around the world, people spent the day thanking the nurses and healthcare workers on the front lines battling the COVID-19 coronavirus. The celebration of 2020 World Health Day took place around the world in mostly virtual environment through online press conferences, announcements, and social media due to the worldwide broad-based stay-at-home order due to COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. 2021, Building a Fairer, Healthier World. COVID-19 had hit all countries hard, but its impact had been harshest on those communities which already faced significant vulnerability, who are more exposed to the disease, less likely to have access to quality healthcare services, and more likely to experience adverse consequences due to the result of measures implemented to contain the pandemic. That's why this was to urge leaders to ensure that equity in health is the centerpiece of our COVID-19 recovery. This would result in a region where everyone has living and working conditions that are conducive to good health. In the year 2022, the theme was Our Planet, Our Health. This call from PAHO, the WHO, and partners presented a unique opportunity for a green and healthy recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic that put the health of individuals and the planet at the center of action and fostered a movement to create societies focused on well-being. The theme for the present year, that is 2023, is Health for All. On 7 April 2023, World Health Day, the World Health Organization will observe its 75th birthday. WHO's 75th anniversary year is an opportunity to look back at public health successes that have improved quality of life during the last 7 decades. It is also an opportunity to motivate action to tackle the health challenges of today and tomorrow. Live a healthy life.